In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve past paper for SPSC 2009 that is most relevant for paper's point of view. So let's start. Let f be defined on real number as f of x is equal to x if x is rational, 1 minus x if x is irrational. Then f is discontinuous at every real number except solution, that is when x is rational. So absolute of f of x minus f of 1 divided by 2. So value of f of x is equal to x. So x minus value of 1 divided by 2 is equal to, so x replace 1 divided by 2, absolute of x minus 1 divided by 2. And when x is irrational, then absolute of f of x minus f of 1 divided by 2 is equal to, value of f of x is equal to 1 minus x minus f of 1 divided by 2 is equal to 1 divided by 2. So 1 minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 1 divided 2 minus x. So take minus multiplying, that is minus into x, absolute of x minus 1 divided by 2. So since x minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 1 divided by 2, hence f is continuous function at x is equal to 1 divided by 2. So discontinuous at every real number except 1 divided by 2. Option B is correct, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.